So this what you gotta do when you in fucking D-rate and you been sitting for fucking 2 days. You can't do nothing but go 5 miles an hour up this goddamn hill. I've been sitting forever in the snow, bro. I'd rather move like a turtle up this hill like this than goddamn gonna be bullshitting. That is what it is, bro. We gonna get there though. Look, I'm gonna take this motherfucker all the way to Volvo 20 miles like this. It's all good though. Fuck them people. We don't need no records, no nothing. Everybody left me out here stranded, bro. I'm talking about these folks left me out here 2 days, man. I've been out here since today is Sunday. It's 12:39, man. I've been out here since like Friday, like 7 p.m. Friday, bro. Crazy.